Hello everybody, how everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well. If not, as always, I just pray that God give you a speedy recovery. With that being said, to all my A1s from day one, thank you for supporting. And for all y'all subscribers, thank you guys so much for continuing to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video today, please hit subscribe. So today, what I'm going to be cooking today, guys, is a simple fried shrimp. Okay, I already deveined them on both sides. Okay, so my hand is already washed, so I'm gonna do a little obey. And just sprinkle of complete, just a sprinkle. I know they say it's complete, you don't need all that in there. Well, guess what? This is how I do mine. And a little black pepper. A little black pepper.
A little.
Okay. And now, are you old school? Because I'm going to show you something. Who knows about that? Who knows about the bag? Dump it in there. Who knows about the bag? Old school, baby. Old school, baby. Get that seasoning. Mix that seasoning up around there, y'all. Shake it up. Shake them shrimp up. I'm trying to teach y'all something. I'm trying to teach you a little something. Get that vegetable oil started. So I got the vegetable oil getting hot. You know, you put a little water in there when it get popping hot before you put the shrimp. Sprinkle a little water when it start popping. Then them shrimps getting ready to get cooked. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys my way of how I fry my shrimp. And so, what that's, okay. All right, I need y'all to tell Treese I need some of her seasoning, y'all. And I need the one with the salt in it. Okay, now I'm getting ready to bust an egg. I'm going to get ready to bust an egg wide open, y'all. Bust it. Bust it. Okay, get the egg all over that shrimp. The yolk and all, get it all. Come on. Get it all over there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, make sure the egg is all over every shrimp, y'all. Put in the comments who know about this bag. Put in the comment who know about seasoning in the bag. Come on now. Last but not least, it's the flour. I'm trying to teach y'all because some people don't know how to cook. So I'm trying to teach y'all. Now, some people who don't know how to cook, I'm doing it my way. So y'all put in y'all in the comments, how do you cook your fried shrimp? Do you use an egg? No egg? What you use? When that flour get enough, you gotta make sure that flour on every shrimp. A little bit more. Okay, now. Make sure that flour on every shrimp. Okay, now, since that's done, you have to get a plate and a paper towel because the oil gonna drip on the paper towel. So you're gonna have the paper towel over the plate. So once I get the shrimp out, I'm gonna lay it over on top of this paper towel to soak up the oil. And then okay, let me try to move this over here. Okay, go drop the thing. Let me see, because I need y'all. Let's see. Okay, okay. Oh, right there. Right there. Perfect, perfect. Right there. Y'all gonna see everything I do. Perfect. How everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I pray everybody's doing well. Quincy, he came back from football practice, so we doing good. So tonight we're gonna have fried shrimp and salad. So you get a little water, you see if it's done, we're gonna hear listen to if it's sizzle. Well, it's not ready, no. It's not ready. Anytime you fry anything, guys, anytime you fry any food, chicken, pork chop, shrimp, anytime you fry anything, you just make sure the grease is hot, ready to do what it do. Okay, make sure it does that. Okay, guys? So the grease is on. I got my paper towel ready to put my shrimp on. I got my shrimp in the bag with the flour ready. Come on. You see that, guys? You see? That's shrimp. See the shrimp? They ready, y'all. So this is what I do. This is what I do. I told y'all I love to cook. When I don't have to work at night, I love to cook. I love to cook when I do not have to work, guys. So I'm going to let that grease get hot. Get a little water and put it on my fingertip. Then put it over the grease. And if I hear that popping, the sizzling, then it's ready. So I could normally cook my shrimp on one side until I think it's done. Then I flip it over. And then I keep flipping it until it's ready to be eaten. So with that being said, that's what I do, y'all. That is what I do. What y'all eating tonight? Put in the comments what y'all eating for dinner tonight. Y'all finna go see. Let me put the phone down. Okay. Now you gotta listen out for this, guys. Let's listen out. A little hotter. Just a little bit. I hear it popping, but I want it a little bit hotter. Ooh. Ooh. I'm a little nervous, y'all. I'm a little nervous. Y'all hear how that's popping? Ooh, you hear how it's popping with that little water I put? You see it? You see this popping right there? I might have to put on some long sleeves, y'all. I probably need some long sleeves. Because I'm going to have little spots on my arms. Okay, here we go, y'all. I'm about ready to put in that them shrimp. Them nice seasoned shrimp. Y'all probably thought it was a lot. It wasn't a lot. So I'm not going to do the water no more because I already know it's ready. So I'm going to do this mix up again. And don't ask me why I put an egg on it. I don't know. That's just how I do my egg, my shrimp. So I don't know why I bust an egg on it. I don't know. But that's how I always done it. And it always came out delicious. So try it, then you'll see why. Try it, then you're going to see. So everybody's seen exactly what I did. I showed y'all step by step how I do my fried shrimp. So all you have to do is try it. Bust an egg on it before you put the flour on it. And I do not put my shrimp on top of each other. I make sure they're separated. So while it's doing what it's doing, I'll put a little bit more flour on the other shrimp that I have. Yeah, so I have fried food, but I don't eat fried food a lot. The main thing I like to fry is my shrimp and pork chops. And normally my chicken I bake. Anything else I normally bake, but fried shrimp, I love fried shrimp and I love fried pork chops. So I might do fried pork chops later on this week. So this is the beginning of them, y'all. See how they fry? They smell so good already, y'all. They smell so good. So I'm just going to let them cook on this side like for 3 to 4 minutes on 8 or 9. But you got to cook them high. You got to cook them high. Not where it's going to burn. So just cook them so they can have a nice crunch to them. And when it feel like it's getting hard on the bottom, a crunch hard, then that's when you want to tilt them over. You definitely want to put enough oil in your pot, y'all. Make sure you flip them all over so they can get done evenly. So far, I'm fortunate, guys, I didn't get popped. I'll turn it down to number 8, y'all. So when they look golden, guys, it's done. It is done. Shrimp do not have any blood in it, so you don't have to cook them for so long. You just want to make sure they're done on the inside. And be careful, guys. And make sure your grease do not burn. Make sure you don't cook it so hot when you got dark grease. When you see your grease turning dark, that means you got the temperature on too high. When your grease start turning dark, your temperature is on too high. See how my grease is not burning? See my grease? It's not bright. So I'm going to cook my other batch. I put some more extra flour. And now this is going to be my last batch. I think this is it right here. Got these shrimps from Publix, y'all. And also with my shrimp, some people don't rinse their meat and they just season it and cook it. I always rinse off any meat that I buy. And I know some people who will go and buy chicken and they don't rinse the chicken off, pork top, they just season it and go. And check the corners of the bag, y'all, because shrimp be hidden on the side. So make sure you check the corners and make sure you got all the shrimp, not chicken, shrimp. Washing off the flour off my hand from touching the shrimp. I'm washing off all the flour. Yeah, see how they look. See that crispy shrimp. Quincy, come here, babe. I'm gonna let Quincy taste them. They're so good, y'all.
Hey, everybody.
Crispy, crunchy.
Wow.
They're so good.
It's delicious. So good.
So next time y'all see me cooking shrimp, he gonna be in here happy.
Yeah, most definitely.
You gotta teach him. Even though he's taller than me on 14, he gonna be cooking some shrimp next time.
Put the camera straight by your face.
See them shoulders?
So they can see how tall.
Look at my shoulders, y'all.
I try to have it like this. You really see how tall I am.
See? Look at it. Look how our shoulders going.
Last thing right here is just a big height difference. You know, it's a big height difference.
My baby.
Pop.
Okay.
Pop.
Before he sit down, I give him another one before he sit down. Okay.
Got pop.
Well, Let me get it flipping. Plant. Go ahead and make your salad while I'm doing this.
Alright.
And put me some celery in there too. In that layer over here. I'm giving just pass the plate and put me some celery on there.
Right here.
Whatever one you want.
Pretty cool. I have no right to be that good.
Y'all, this shrimp so good. Ain't even funny, y'all. Those shrimp so good, y'all.
I had no right being that good.
That's enough. See how fast this dinner was, y'all? This is a fast dinner. Salad and shrimp. That's it. Oh boy. Nothing ain't burning, y'all.
You gonna pause it?
Nothing not burning.
Let me mix it first. Because you know I got to mix it.
Okay, everybody. Sorry about the false alarm. It's nothing burning over here. But my house is so sensitive, they trying to save lives. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, it is what it is. Okay? That's why the alarm went off, guys. It wasn't nothing burning. Y'all already know what I do.
But they know this stuff is gonna be on fire, so you know.
Yeah, you heard that? Why the alarm went off? Because they know what?
They know this is gonna be on fire.
Yes, it's going to be on fire. Taste-wise. So this is the shrimps, everybody. This is my delicious fried shrimp here. It's what I do. Yes, okay. I need some better lighting because I need y'all to see how crispy that is. Let me see. Look at that, man. Y'all see these shrimp?
I like to over-season all.
Y'all see that? It is the shrimp. I mean, look at that. That's what I do. Fried shrimp. Add egg and flour and good seasoning, and you will have your fried shrimp. With that being said, Quincy, peace out.
Stay safe.
One love, and don't forget to do what, Quincy?
Subscribe and like and comment
And share.
If you have any opinions, and share.
Thank you.
Advice. I mean, nobody's perfect, so tell us some advice.
Yes. Tell us how you fix your fried shrimp. Peace out. I gotta eat for my shrimp get cold. Love you guys.